Hi everyone, welcome to episode 9. Today we're going to do eggplant green bowls. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our eggplant and cut that in half. Okay, then what we're going to do is take a spoon and we're going to scrape out the meat of the eggplant. Keep about half an inch of the meat. Okay, so we're going to keep the meat of the eggplant. We're going to chop that up in a few minutes. And then now we're going to take the eggplant and we're going to put some olive oil in it. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to take a piece of parchment paper and put that on the pan and then put the eggplant right side up. And then the oven is now preheated to 400 and we're going to stick that in the oven for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, let's go ahead and chop up the eggplant. And then we're going to set that aside for later. Okay, so now we're going to take a pan and we're going to put that on medium heat. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 medium onion. We're going to add that in there, and that's going to go for about 5 minutes. So now that our onion is tender, we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic crushed, and we're going to let that saute for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. Now that the garlic is fragrant, you can smell it. It smells great, or I can smell it. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin. And now we're going to add the eggplant that we chopped up earlier. Two teaspoons of oregano. A dash of salt. And 1/4 cup of water. And we're going to cook that down until the water is all absorbed. Now that the eggplant mixture is all softened, we're going to remove that from the heat. And then now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped. 1/4 cup of parsley chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of 1/4 teaspoon of red chili peppers, and 1 can of washed chickpeas. And 1.5 cups of quinoa. And now we're just waiting for the eggplant to get done that's in the oven. Okay, now let's check on our eggplant. looks delicious and smells delicious. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fill the bowls with the mixture that we had made. Okay, and then we're going to top that with the softened goat cheese. Okay, so now we're going to take that and put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, well, let's take out our eggplant. Looks delicious. And there you have it, one eggplant grain bowl. Enjoy. See you in the next episode. Bye.